So Håkon, welcome to OTC Brazil. I am very curious to hear what Pelagus is about.
Thank you so much, Jan. It's very exciting being here and being here together with M&O partners supporting us here in the region. Pelagus Treaty, it's a fairly new company. We're a joint venture between Wilhelmsen and ThyssenKrupp, established 1st of October. But although a new company, we've been doing our business for quite a long time. Our joint venture partner, one of them, ThyssenKrupp, is been doing 3D printing for the past 10 to 15 years, whereas Wilhelmsen started exploring this in 2017. So in essence, what we do is that we're addressing the key supply chain issues that exist in the maritime and offshore industries. So we have shortened LPO, standing for long lead time, poor part performance, and obsolete legacy parts. So by being able to manufacture parts on demand all around the world using 3D printing technologies, we're able to achieve these improvements. And many people think about 3D printing as a small polymer printing that you're having in your home, printing gadgets. We're using industrial machines, printing highly critical components in all dimensions and in all materials, polymers and metals. So we delivered parts that are installed on 3,000 meters subsea. And the largest printer is 10 times 6 times 5 meters, huge components. So on behalf of our customers, which are the end users, the maritime companies and the offshore companies, but also the equipment manufacturers, we facilitate and manage this ecosystem all around the world. I think what differs us from many other companies in this area is that we provide a full warranty liability. So it's very safe to start exploring and using the technology as such.
So Håkon, just for me to understand, so you can actually print locally the parts that you before had to take from the other side of the world. That is kind of disrupting the whole supply chain, or what?
Yeah, you're moving from a completely physical supply chain to a digital supply chain. Like today you have central production, central warehouses and local distribution centers. But now we're moving to a digital warehouse solution that allows you to, if you need a part here in Brazil, you manufacture the part here in Brazil and deliver it to the customer. So you don't need all these physical elements in your supply chain. But in a way, it's not competing against mass manufacturing. Mass manufacturing, the Henry Ford manufacturing model still applies. It's a great alternative when you're dealing with long lead time, poor part performance, and part obsolescence.
Very exciting for the business here in Brazil. How do you see and feel the Brazilian market?
We launched Project Bramond 1 year back, Brazil manufacturing on demand. And the reason why we launched Project Bramond is that the 3D printing market in Brazil is quite mature. There are very few 3D printing service bureaus, which are our production partners today in Brazil. If you see in the US and Europe and Asia, it's increasing like every month. There are thousands of service providers all around the world, but here in Brazil it's actually quite limited. So we launched this Project Bramond to actually create awareness and activate the ecosystem and to show to the 3D printing service bureaus around the world that this is an attractive market to be in.
And the final thing I want to ask you about, Håkon, is Pelagus. Tell me a little bit about that name.
So Pelagus is Latin for open sea. So we deal with everything on the sea. So maritime and the offshore space, from oil and gas to offshore wind to aquaculture. And that's the focus on our business.
Congrats with your new joint venture. Congrats with the 3D printing moving fast ahead. We think this is one of the most innovative and exciting technologies that we have seen in a long time. So look forward to the next days here in Rio de Janeiro at OTC Brazil, and good meetings for the clients and the partners.
Thank you. It's a great pleasure being here. Thank you.